Good morning, students. Already we have started the lesson, The Swiss Family Robinson. It is the novel. Already we have seen that some part of it. Now we are going to start from here up to boots. We have seen thinking ahead of the next winter. We are going to start from here today. Listen it carefully. Now, thinking ahead of the next winter, father decided to create a place safe from the elements, a strong storage spot to protect themselves and their belongings. Now, as we have seen that some of the plants were there, such as corn, melons, pumpkins, cucumbers were already growing in the Elizabeth's garden. Already we have seen Fritz along with his father, they were going to search the waxy fruit which would be useful for making candles. Now thinking ahead of the next winter, here the father means William decided to create a place safe from the elements. Now winter will be there, and father William, he decided to create a place which will be safe from all these things, which will be safe from winter, a strong storage spot to protect themselves and their belongings. For protecting purpose, for protecting themselves as well as their belongings, here the father decided to create a safe place. Now for that purpose, Fritz came up with the idea of a cave. Fritz has a new idea. He told him that we have to make a cave for that purpose, for protecting ourselves as well as for protecting our belongings. Here Fritz told his father that we want to be made a cave. Not finding one, they thought of carving out their own cave in the rock abutting their camping site. But they hadn't found any cave there. So they thought that they had to carve their own cave in the rock where they were now at the camping site. ज्या ठिकाणी त्यांचा कॅम्प होता त्या ठिकाणी त्यांनी ठरवलं की आपण आता रॉक कुठं आपल्याला सापडत नाही, केव कुठं आपल्याला सापडत नाही, त्यामुळं स्वतःच त्यांनी ती केव कार्व आउट करायला सुरुवात केली, खोदकाम करायला सुरुवात केली, कार्विंग करायला सुरुवात केली in that rock near the camping site. On the smooth face of the rock, father marked the dimensions for an opening and they picked away at the hard surface with their axes, chisels, hammers, shovels. On the smooth face of the rock, for carving the cave, for carving purpose, they have chosen a smooth face of the rock, and father William marked the dimensions for an opening and they picked away at the hard surface with their axes. They had chosen smooth face of that rock, and whatever hard surface was there, they started to pick it away with the help of all these things, with the help of axes, chisels, hammers, shovels, all these things with them, and with the help of these things they started to pick away the hard surface. Over the next several days, the family cut windows in the rocks to allow for cross currents of air and for sunlight to enter the cave. Now over the next several days, when the cave was ready, at the same time the family cut windows in the rocks to allow the cross current of air, for allowing the outside air. Now the family started to cut windows in the rocks. तिथंच त्या केव तयार झाल्यानंतर बाहेरची शुद्ध हवा जी आहे ती आतमध्ये येण्यासाठी त्यांनीच त्या रॉकमध्ये विंडोज तयार करायला सुरुवात केली. दे स्टार्टेड टू मेक विंडोज बाय कटिंग द रॉक्स. नाव cross currents of air and for sunlight to enter the cave. When they had finished, they had 4 rooms complete with a fireplace. Whenever they have finished, whenever they have ready with the cave, at the same time they had 4 rooms. They had created 4 rooms in that cave complete with a fireplace. Here in this statement, when they had finished, they had 4 rooms complete with a fireplace. The question will be asked that pick out subordinate clause and name it. Here in this part here, only when they had finished up to here, it is subordinate clause and it is adverb clause of time. Adverb clause of time. Whenever they had finished, they had 4 rooms and complete with fireplace. Now they had a cave. They now had a new winter home which was in the form of cave. It was cave house now. Fridge along with his father, the whole family, they started to do for that, started to work for that. They hard work for that, for making the cave house, for making the new winter home, and finally it was made by removing the hard surface with the help of axes, chisels, hammers, shovels, all these things. Also they had cut windows in the rocks for allowing cross currents of air as well as for allowing sunlight to enter the cave. And finally they had made a new winter home in the form of cave. Because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. Here the word oppressive. Oppressive. The meaning of oppressive is given here. That is distressing. Oppressive means what? Distressing. Now, after that what happened? Because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. It was looking depressive one because of low light. And for remedying purpose, to remedy this, father and Jack rigged up a new light. For remedying purpose, father along with Jack, one of his son, they started to rig up a new light. How to take in the new light? They found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. Actually it was low light in that cave house, so they become depressive one, they become oppressive one. And for remedying purpose, to remedy this, father along with Jack, they started to rig up a new light. They found, for that purpose, what they had actually did, they found a bamboo pole. One of the bamboo pole was found by themselves that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. The bamboo pole which was reached from the floor to the ceiling one. Then after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that they had rescued from the ship. What actually did for getting light into that winter home, into that cave house, for remedying purpose, what they had did, Jack, he had taken a bamboo pole which was reached towards the ceiling, and after that Jack climbed to the top of the pole with the help of that bamboo pole, and he had hung a large oil lamp there that they had rescued from the ship. They had a oil lamp which was rescued from the ship, and it was hung there, where on the ceiling of that cave house, and he had solved the problem of light. त्या ठिकाणी त्यांनी काय केलं बघा, लो लाईट असल्यामुळं, कमी लाईट असल्यामुळं त्या केव हाऊसमध्ये एक उपाय म्हणून फादर आणि जॅक त्याने एक बांबू पोल घेतला की जो सिलिंगपर्यंत नेला आणि त्यावरती ऑइल लॅम्प लावलेला आहे की ज्यामुळं हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केला लाईटचा. आफ्टर दॅट वन डे दे फाउंड दॅट वन ऑफ द फॅमिलीज हट्स had been completely destroyed and the cultivated fields around it had been trampled and ruined. One day what happened, they looked while walking here and there in their surroundings, they found that one of the family's huts had been completely destroyed. They found that in their neighborhood, in their surroundings, one of the family's huts, it was completely destroyed, and as well as cultivated lands, cultivated fields around that huts, it also had been trampled as well as ruined. It also had been destroyed and ruined. एक दिवस ह्या फॅमिलीला आढळून आलं की ज्या ठिकाणी यांचे केव हाऊस होतं त्या ठिकाणी एक हट होती, एक झोपडी होती, ती सुद्धा डिस्ट्रॉय झाली होती. आजूबाजूला जे काय शेत जे होतं ते सुद्धा डिस्ट्रॉय केलं होतं. इट वॉज ऑल्सो ट्रॅम्पल डाऊन, इट वॉज ऑल्सो डिस्ट्रॉयड अँड रुइन्ड बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग एल्स. देअर वेर ह्यूज फुटमार्क्स एव्हरीवेअर. Also they had seen some of the footmarks and they thought that they will be definitely of wild animals. Also they have seen the huge footmarks everywhere. They have seen the hut which was completely destroyed, also cultivated fields, it was also trampled, ruined, destroyed, and also they have seen the huge footmarks everywhere. Father saw massive damage to trees as well as many huge footprints, which he identified as belonging to an elephant herd. Also, Father William, he had seen the massive damage to trees as well as many huge footprints. Now he identified, Father identified that the footprints, they belongs to elephant हर्ड. इथं मात्र या वडिलांनी, या फादरनी हे फुटप्रिंट्स ओळखले. देअर वेअर ह्यूज फुटप्रिंट्स, फुटमार्क्स एव्हरीवेअर. ऑलरेडी वी हॅव सीन दॅट. आणि हे फुटप्रिंट जे होते ते खूप मोठे असे होते, प्रचंड असे होते. इट इज कॉल्ड मॅसिव्ह हियर. मॅसिव्ह डॅमेज टू ट्रीज ॲज वेल ॲज मेनी ह्यूज फुटप्रिंट्स. अँड ही आयडेंटिफाईड फायनली अँड दे ही थॉट दॅट it belongs to an elephant herd. Now the next morning the family began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated lands. Now the next morning the family thought that we also must have to make such type of house, a new defense to discourage all the wild animals from entering our cave house, from entering our cultivated lands. दुसऱ्या दिवशी या फॅमिलीनं नवीन असं काहीतरी डिझाईन करायला सुरुवात केलं की जेणेकरून आपल्याला वाईल्ड ॲनिमलपासून कुठलाही त्रास होणार नाही. दे आल्सो फायनलाइज देअर आयडियाज अबाउट द न्यू रेसिडन्स. आल्सो दे हॅव थॉट रिगार्डिंग द न्यू हाऊस, न्यू रेसिडन्स फॉर कीपिंग aloof from wild animals. Rather than building a house on stilts which the elephants could knock down easily, they would use 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. Now they thought that for protecting themselves from the wild animals, from the elephants, they thought that rather than building a house on stilts which the elephants could knock down, they thought that if we build a house on stilts, definitely elephants, they will come and knock down our house easily. So this thought that we must have to use 4 strong trees for building our residence, for building a house, strong house, and for that purpose they had taken 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. फाउंडेशन म्हणून त्यांनी 4 स्ट्रॉंग ट्रीची निवड केलेली आहे. द ट्रीज वेअर ऑफ इक्वल साईज, ॲप्रोक्सिमेटली 12 feet apart. Thus they built another safe home. Now they have taken strong trees, 4 strong trees for building the house, for protecting from all these wild animals. Now the trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. They have taken the trees. They were nearly about 12 feet, and in this way they had built another safe home with the help of all these things, with the help of these 4 strong trees. They have taken it and made it as their foundation of that residence, foundation of that home, and the trees were approximately 12 feet, and in this way they had built another safe home which was safe from the wild animals. Now 10 years passed and the young boys were now young men and their parents were very proud. Now after 10 years were passed. 10 वर्षे निघून गेली and the young boys become young men. आता जी तरुण मुलं होती ती मोठी झाली and their parents were very proud now. They called the island New Switzerland. Now wherever they have spent their days, they have called the island New Switzerland. Many adventures occurred over the years. Various years, nearly about 10 to 15 years they have spent there. And in that island, so he called the island New Switzerland. Various adventures they faces during all these years. या दरम्यान त्यांना अनेक प्रॉब्लेम्सना फेस करावं लागलं या आयलँडवरती. On the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down an albatross which was threatening to attack him and found a rag tied to the large bird's leg. Now another incident occur here on the shore of another island. Fritz had seen one of the bird, albatross. He had knocked down him, which was threatening to attack him. Actually, albatross, he was a bird and he was going to attack him, going to attack Fritz. At the same moment, Fritz had knocked down him and found a rag tied to the large bird's leg. He was a large bird, and also Fritz had found one of the rag which was tied to that bird's leg. त्या ठिकाणी तो बर्ड जेव्हा तो त्यांना खाली पाडला, अल्बाट्रॉस नावाचा बर्ड, तर त्याच वेळेस त्याला आढळलं की त्याच्या पायाला एक चिंदी बांधली होती, एक रॅग त्याला म्हटलं. पण इथं वन ऑफ द रॅग वॉज टाईड, दॅट इज गिवन हिअर, rag. It was tied to the large bird's leg. On the rag was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the Smoking Rock. There was a rag which was tied to the large bird's leg. He had found that when he attacked him, when he had knocked down him. At the same time, on that rag there was a message. He was found that, and it was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the Smoking Rock. One of the English women, she had been stranded there. She had been lost her way in that island. That was the message which was tied into that rag, and the rag was tied here to the large bird's leg. Now Fritz had no idea how old the message was. Actually, he hadn't any idea when it was written, when the message was written. He had the faint idea about it. He had no idea how old the message was. His father suggested that Smoking Rock sounded like a reference to a volcano. Now his father suggested him that Smoking Rock means it will be a volcano, volcanic rocks. It refers to a volcano. Since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity, the bird might have come from hundreds of miles away. Actually, there was no volcanoes in the surroundings. Vicinity means what here? Surroundings. That is given here. Vicinity. Here it is. Vicinity. Volcanoes. Vicinity means surrounding here. Since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity, the bird might have come from hundreds of miles away. Actually, there were no volcanoes, and because of the lack of volcanoes, various birds, they might have come from hundreds of miles away. They thought that. Now, however, Fritz felt that someone needed his help, and he was determined to do his best to find the sender. Now Fridge thought that someone was needed help, his help, and he was determined to do his best to find the sender. Now he was going to check who was sent this message, and he turned to find the sender. Before returning home, he had written his own note on the rag, retied it to the albatross leg, and had watched the bird fly off. Before turning towards home, before returning home, what he had actually done, he had written another note on that rag, and again he retied it to the bird's leg, albatross leg. पुन्हा त्याने एक नवीन एक नोट लिहिली आणि ती पुन्हा ती त्या बर्डच्या लेगला टाय केलेली आहे, बांधलेली आहे. अँड हॅड वॉच द बर्ड फ्लाय ऑफ. आणि तो पक्षी कधी एकदा निघून जातो तो बघत राहिला. द नोट टोल्ड whoever receive it, do not despair, help is near. What was he had written? What actually he had written? Do not despair, help is near. Don't worry, help is near. I am going to help you. He had written in that note, and which was retied it to the albatross leg, and again he had watched the bird fly off. Fridge then successfully rescued the young woman Jenny Montrose. Who was the young woman? She wants help from someone, and after that Fridge, he also going to find the sender who sent it, and finally he successfully rescued the young woman whose name was, that is given here, Jenny Montrose. Jenny Montrose, one of the young women, she was rescued by Fridge. Though shy at first, soon she got used to living with the Robinson family. At first she was shy, she was looking shy, but finally she was started to live with the Robinson family. Now the girl, the young woman Jenny Montrose, which was rescued by Fridge, now she started to live with the Robinson family. Up to here we are going to discuss remaining part. We will take afterwards tomorrow. Now along with this video lecture, I am going to give you exercise which will be in the PDF format. You already know that. Definitely you can solve it, you will solve it as usual, and you have to send me its feedback. Thank you.